some hints on some of your answers, okay?
All right, I'm not even done.
Oh, I'm just telling you.
All
So
right.
you get to that, you kind of get an idea. So on 22, here's what's important. On 22, you're going to have a negative voltage, okay? So what you should see is that that negative voltage impedes the motion of the electron. So on 23 then, knowing that you have that voltage and you know the distance, you can find the force, and from there you can get the acceleration. But what you want to ask yourself is that acceleration going to make it speed up, or is that acceleration going to make it slow down? Okay? That's what you want to think through. So on 23, your acceleration should be something times 10 to the 11th. Okay? Now, then when you get to 24, you're going to go back using that work function, and you're going to find the velocity of that electron as it goes across. That should be something times 10 to the 5th. Okay? Now, when you get to number 26, now I want to say, okay, we're going to change this. Now we're not going to have a distance of 1 meter. Now we're going to figure out how far it has to set this apart so that when it just makes it to the other side, it stops. So that would be like, I'm going to throw this thing at a certain velocity. You're going to tell me how high I can throw it before it stops. So your answer to 26, let me throw that in there. Your answer to 26 would make a bad GPA. It obviously has to be more than 1 meter because at 1 meter it was still moving. Okay? And then on 27, you need to switch that voltage from negative to positive. So you don't have to redo the calculations, you just have to watch the signs. And then your answer to 27, because it's going to be speeding up, and it's going to go across that gap that you just found on 26, and you're going to see how fast that's going, and that should be something times 10 to the 6th. Okay? So that will give you some idea how that is progressing. Elliot.
That note to the right say something bad GPA.
Oh, that's on 26. Yeah, 26 is a bad GPA. Opie?
Is this due tomorrow or what?
There's not much left. It's going to be due tomorrow. Yeah.